Hi, this is Fred Armstrong, your Mayor of Savings at Chevrolet of Columbus. The Corvette Club is hosting their 15th annual Corvette Club Show right here at Chevrolet of Columbus. The show is July 22nd and all makes and models are welcome. There will be multiple competitions from best paint job to best display and many, many more. Food and snacks and drinks will be available, and proceeds will go towards Riley's Children's Hospital. You can register now for $20 or at the day of the show for $25. Don't miss this event on July 22nd at Chevrolet of Columbus, 2825 Merchant Mile, right next to Sam's Club. And head over to columbuscorvette.com for more information.